Transforming your WordPress website's footer from generic to genius is easier than you think. Let's dive into how you can customize your WordPress footer, a crucial spot for branding, important links, and a great user experience. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard on the left-hand side menu. Hover over Appearance and then click on the Customize option. Once the customizer loads, you'll see various options for tweaking your site. Look for a section usually labeled Footer Options, or something similar, depending on your theme. Many themes provide multiple widget areas within the footer. You can add text, navigation menus, social media icons, popular posts, or even a contact form here. To add content, simply find the widgets you want to use on the left side and drag them over to your desired footer widget area. On the right, click on a widget to expand it and fill in the necessary details. Some themes also offer dedicated areas to edit the footer bar or the copyright text directly. Look for options like copyright text, footer copyright, or bottom bar settings. Here, you can easily type in your company name, year, or any other important legal or branding information. Remember that many themes allow you to insert dynamic content, like the current year, which automatically updates. After you've made your desired changes and are happy with how the footer looks in the preview, don't forget to click the Publish button at the top to save all your modifications. And there you have it. Your WordPress footer is now customized to reflect your brand, provide essential information, and guide your visitors effectively.